In this lesson, I will explain to you bimodal and U-shaped distribution. In this lesson, I will give you the brief introductions of bimodal and U-shape. In next lesson, we will discuss all the shapes, bimodal, U-shape, left skewed, right skewed, etc. in detail. So here I am going to explain you first bimodal. A data set is bimodal if it has two modes. This means that there is not a single data value that arises with the highest frequency, or you can say if mode occurs two times, it is called bimodal. Now here we have to discuss actually what is mode. The number which occurs more frequently in your data set is called the mode. Suppose if we have a 20 numbers and out of these 20, 10 occurs 5 times, then 10 is called the mode. So if the mode occurs 2 times, what does it mean? Suppose we have this data, we have 40 here, 40 here. We have 25 here, 25 here. So there are two modes. We cannot say that this 40 is the mode. No, 25 and 40 both are considered as a mode. So this is called the bimodal. So I will show you, if you do not have this data available, with the help of graph, how you can find out that this is the bimodal. So see, these are the two bars which are equal. This is 40 and then these are 25. So I want to make it more clear. Just right click, format data series, and from here you have to remove this gap. So see, these are the bimodal. This is 40 and these two are 25. If you want, you can show your data labels here, then it will be more easy to find out. See, this is fine. 25, 25, 40, 40, and all are different. So this is the bimodal. And now we will discuss U-shaped distribution. Is very easy. When you will make the graph of your data, right, I will show you from here again. You have to go here. From here you cannot see that this is similar to letter U, but right click, format data series, and then remove this gap, this one. So suppose if you do not have this data available and someone asks you what you can analyze with the help of this, or what you conclude with the help of this distribution, so you can say this is the U-shaped distribution. But U-shaped distribution, bimodal, all shapes we will discuss in the next chapter in detail. If you have any question regarding U-shape and my bimodal, write down in comment section, and thanks for watching.